Hey there, myself Prem Kasi, Chartered Accountant and Company Secretary. In this particular video, I'm going to discuss with you all a new project that has hit the recent cryptocurrency markets, which is Baby Dogecoin. Yeah, so in this video, I'm going to discuss with you all the entire coverage of this project, like what are its objectives, what are its tokenomics, what is their roadmap, is there any concept of burning the tokens, or how the liquidity pools are defined or maintained. So all the things are something I'm going to discuss with you all by presenting you the white paper, and the objective behind making this video is that you will be able to understand what aspects that we need to consider whenever we are analyzing a new project. Yeah, with that we'll be discussing all these things in a simple and easy terms. Just a note, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe to our channel if you like the content, and please continue watching this video. And at the end of the video, if you like the content, please support us by liking, comment and sharing our videos. Yeah, so with that we'll be starting the video. So this is the project, which is a Baby Dogecoin with the symbol called Baby Doji, and this is something which has been designed on Binance Smart Chain. And the reason why they have opted Binance Smart Chain, whereas the father of this particular coin, which is initial Dogecoin, which is there on the Litecoin mechanisms and all. Yeah, so all these things we'll be discussing in a while. So let me head to the white paper that I have opened it for you. So just for a change, or just for understanding it easy, I'm going to discuss with all these things from last to first. Yeah, so here we are on the last page, and the first thing I'm going to discuss is the tokenomics. So you can see this particular project is having huge token supply. When I say huge, it's very huge. So you can see 420 quadrillion tokens. So recently I just made a comparison between a SafeMoon as well. I mean a project analysis with the SafeMoon. You can see that SafeMoon is having just 1 quadrillion. Here this particular Baby Dogecoin is having 420 quadrillion. Yeah, so that's the volume this particular token is carrying, and you can say that this is totally a meme coin with an of course of huge supply. And also if you see that 30% of this supply, which is 125 quadrillion, is already burned, and available supply is 295 quadrillion. Yeah, and they claim that the market cap is 200 million plus within a few days of this launch, and there are more than 1 lakh plus holders in the first initial weeks of this project. You know, when the coin supply is this much, when the price is very way less, you can easily have these number of wallets or this number of holders who are holding that particular coins, right? So this doesn't make any sense, but yeah, this is just for your knowledge, and this is the supply this particular token is having. And next thing we'll be seeing is the roadmap. So what are their objectives behind running this particular project? So you can see there are 6 phases, and I'll cover it in a brief, and I have already highlighted the key important terms that we need to understand, so that we can get a good understanding on their project objectives. The first thing is they are just focusing on the market, and this is something each and every new token project will be doing, which is in the phase 1. Next phase they are going to list on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and you can see right now it is already done, and I'm just showing you that references on the screen. And they're already done with the third-party audit, and here they have got audited from Desert Finance. Yeah, so such a certification is something they are holding. And in the phase 3 they're also planning for some kind of airdrop and listing with the some sort of centralized exchanges, preferably sort of Binance, because this is something which is already launched on web protocols. Yeah, and they're also planning for some sort of credit card facility where any people can buy cryptos using their own credit cards on their own platform again. In the phase 4 they are also planning for their own swap on their own website. As of now, if you see, they are using the PancakeSwap. I'll also show you how they are using and how we can buy if at all we want to. Yeah, and the next thing, they are also planning on this Baby Doji own wallet, just like SafeMoon wallet which they are planning. Here also they are planning a PAW wallet. And in the phase 5 they are also planning as usual NFT, which is also there in SafeMoon. And yeah, they are also going to plan a giveaway of Tesla to promote this particular Doji versus Baby Doji coins as well. Yeah, projects as well. And in the phase 6, yes, this is something they claim that to the moon, and yeah, they just want to expand their markets with respect to a kind of donations or a kind of achieving their objectives kind of things. Yeah, so this is the project map, and as you can see, I haven't felt anything new, because this is something which each and every meme token especially will be doing. Yeah, you can take an example of SafeMoon for that matter. And here are something they claim to be some sort of accomplishments. I'll just quickly read out. 1 lakh plus holders already covered, 220 plus million market cap, yeah, 45,000 plus Telegram, 50,000 plus Twitter, and 15,000 plus Instagram followers. And you can see all these marketing tactics were posts from celebrities. Yeah, I'm not going to spend much time. And the next thing with respect to Baby Doji protocol on how this particular tokenomics is framed. This is something, again, I just found it absolutely close to safe mode, where 3 qualities like reflection, LP equation, and burn. Reflection is the benefit that we are the existing shareholders are token holders are going to get when others are selling it off. Yeah, and the percentage is 5% of the fee will be distributed to existing holders, and other 5%, I mean total 10% is the fee. You can see here transaction fee of 10%. So in other 5%, 50-50 will be bifurcated, and one part will be going to BNB liquidity pool, other part will be going to Baby Doji liquidity pool on PancakeSwap. Yeah, so that is all about LP equation and burning. Yeah, again here we have 2 concepts, auto burning and manual burning. With respect to auto burning, they claim to be very less, which is 5% of redistribution. So you can see here 5% of the fees will be redistributed now. So a part will be also going to this burning address. Yeah, that is all about auto burning, and manual burning is that whenever they want to do, they might be doing it. So that we can say as of now it is already 30% which is already burned. Yeah, so that is the way this particular protocol is defined with these 3 key things. Yeah. And next thing, some ecosystem. I think this is something which you already covered. There is a huge amount of liquidity pool which is available on PancakeSwap with respect to BNB versus Dogecoin. Yeah, I mean Baby Dogecoin, sorry. And you can see instant rewards where 5% of the fee will be auto distributed to all the existing holders, which is something which we already seen. And the reason why they have selected Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, so let me just take you through the main website so that it will be easy for us to understand. So I just want to discuss this particular table. You can see the block time here, right? So if you see the Baby Doji, it is taking less than 5 seconds, and the initial Dogecoin, which is on Litecoin principles, it is taking close to 1 minute. Shiba Inu, again built on Ethereum, it is taking 10 to 15 seconds. This is absolutely wrong. They just mentioned it by mistake as days. It is seconds. So to get these benefits, to get quicker block time, to get quicker transaction processing, they have selected this particular Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, so that's the advantage that this particular project is having compared to initial Doge. And also some sort of trust, because we have already discussed this is something which is audited by Desert Finance, and also they have some burning concept, and they have also a non-ruggable LP protocols on PancakeSwap. Yeah, and yeah, this is mostly like community driven. You can see the volume of tokens it holds, and the volume of course the volume of holders also will get increased, and due to that we can say it's a more decentralized, more community driven project with a long-term objectives. Yeah. So, and just summarizing with the first phase, again this is something which is started very recently on June 1st 2021, and yeah, this is their objective is to rescue this particular breed of dogs, and of course they want to have these NFTs exchanges, own wallet which is Paw Wallet, and own and a facility of credit card using on their website, so that they can do all these crypto payments. Yeah, and they're already planning for Baby Doji swap on their website apart from the PancakeSwap, and they also want to support these credit cards on their own website, and they're also planning to have their own wallet which is Paw Wallet. And of course NFTs has become common in all these upcoming projects. Yeah, so this is all about the white paper. Hope you come to know what are the things that we need to analyze with respect to the new project. Now talking more on let's see their website and see if anything we missed, so that we'll be covering it up, and next I'll be taking you through CoinMarketCap. So this is the home page, we can say, and you can see that social presence in all these platforms. And if at all you want to buy, that's the main thing. If at all you need to click here, so that it will be directed to PancakeSwap, and you need to connect your own wallet. That can be MetaMask, Trust Wallet, SafePal, or whatever for that matter. So once you connect, only thing is you need to hold BNB, or even you can yeah, you can definitely swap it as well with any other. So once you have the respective tokens, you can simply swap with Baby Doji, and you can have that into your wallet. And next thing, also you can provide liquidity as well by having both BNB and Doji into your wallets, Baby Doji into your wallets. Yeah, so that is all about how we can buy. And moving ahead, let me go back to the main website. Yeah, Moving ahead, yeah, this is something all covered: auto and manual burns, reward holdings to the existing stakeholders, and there is a locked liquidity which is unreggable on PancakeSwap. Yeah, yes, so this is all something which we have already covered. And just to spend a few seconds on this particular comparison, they have given a comparison between Baby Doge, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, and I felt personally they should give this SafeMoon as well, because that is quite competing to this Baby Doge, as they share the similar tokenomics. I'm not sure whether they missed it intentionally. If you see the market cap, it is 2.2 billion, which is 25 billion against Dogecoin, because it's a fifth largest, right? And Shiba Inu has 3 billion for that matter. Block time, which is already covered, and this is something seconds. By mistake it was mentioned as days. Age of the project 22 days, 2750 days, 300 days out. Okay, auto staking rewards, this is something there in SafeMoon as well, so they missed it and they say that only we have. Yeah, objective is the save docs, of course. Again, Shiba Inu also has a similar objectives, I feel, and the SafeMoon has an objective to promote education somewhere around South African countries. Yeah, and cuteness level, I don't know what they want to show with this cuteness level and all, so I'm just ignoring that for you. Yeah, I think everything I have covered. Let's quickly move to the Twitter page. This is their official Twitter page, which is Baby Dogecoin, and this is the recent tweet that Elon Musk has introduced us with this product, which is a Baby Shark remix song, you can say. Yeah, if you feel something interesting to watch, I definitely recommend to watch that particular video, which is Baby Shark. Yeah, it's too funny, and you can spend your 2 or 3 minutes and enjoy that particular song and lyrics. Yeah, I personally like that. And talking a bit about the coin market cap, you can see the major things that I have already covered. And just to show you the market, you can see it is available in PancakeSwap and 2 other exchanges. Better to avoid this, because you can see there is no volume absolutely, and always prefer a project or a exchange which is having huge volume. And just one last thing about the charts I wish to discuss. You can see after the Elon Musk tweet, it almost touched twice, where you can see somewhere around 8 to somewhere around 16. Yeah, so that is how this project is. So now talking about the investment thing, personally I don't feel any unique thing, any new thing this particular project is bringing to us. So it's pure gamble. Its price movements will be pure on the tweets from big players which you know. Yeah, so if at all you are okay to lose something, try your luck, or else better stay away from this project. So that's my say on this particular project. And yeah, so just let me know in the comments what further things that you want to have a sort of analysis or sort of understanding, so that I'll be making videos on that. So thank you for your time, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Yeah, signing off. Stay home, stay safe.